What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today is April 3rd, Sunday night, and I bring you guys a Sunday night watch list review. Excuse me. Today I'm just gonna, or I'd say tonight, I'm just gonna go over specifically what I'm looking for tomorrow to trade, Monday morning, what I'm looking to play. I'm gonna give you my overall thinking, my big picture on some of these stocks that I'm looking to play. Guys, let me just reiterate this, and if I haven't said this before, I really want, if you are looking to play my stocks, this is solely my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. So, you know, just do your due diligence and make sure you have proper risk management in your positions. And yeah, I just want to make sure that's very clear, um, that I am not a financial advisor. Definitely not one of those. All right, got that out of the way. I just want to tap in to the overall market, starting with QQQ and SPY, and then I'll give you 3 stocks that I'm looking to play tomorrow morning at the open. So yeah, let's get right into it. We're gonna start off right away with the QQQ. So recently, obviously last week we've seen a healthy pullback, which was muchly needed in the market on SPY and QQQ. We formed pretty much. Oh, what I'm looking at right now is we pretty much formed a BullFlag on the daily chart. Let's make our trend lines now. Take the low of that, put it just like that. Okay, so I already have my levels listed. I know this is a lot. Don't get intimidated by my stock chart. This works for me. I just like to have every clear level listed on my chart, and yeah, this is how I trade. So for the upside, I'm really looking at above 364.40. For the upside, we can probably push to 368.70 as a first target on Friday, and we can probably push into 372 as probably the top, and that is the top of the bull flag, from a push from 364. That's a $10 range possibly. I don't see anything increasing after that, but the top of the bull flag is 372.10. That would be target 3. But for some overall thinking and some notes behind QQQ, like I said last week, we seen a pullback, which was muchly needed. Friday, we closed into a bull flag, and we also closed underneath a support of the 9 EMA. That's important. Personally, we could see some upside potential, some momentum for tomorrow. We did fall into a key of demand in this area, and with decreasing volume, so those are good signs. I do have levels to the downside on the QQQ. If we were to open red, I would be looking below 358. That is the bottom of this bear flag. And for some targets for that trade below 358 can be 356.40. And then like that is literally just this support down here. Or this demand area here. Next one can be 355. This red candle here, you guys can see that. Next target can be 352 roughly, and roughly 350 if we were to reach that low. And that's QQQ. We could see either direction, and I have my levels listed, so I will be open to all directions and seeing where the QQQ sector goes tomorrow morning. With that being said, that's QQQ. If you're not familiar with that, that is the tech sector, like I said. Just to give you guys a bigger picture here, 4 hours as well. This is how we're looking. Yeah, I can probably make this a little bit tighter. Yeah, that looks nice. That's QQQ. So let's go to SPY. Okay, so for the SPY. Okay, so very similar scenario with the QQQ SPY, just very similar scenario in my opinion. Cena, we definitely saw a little bit more aggressive pullback, but nonetheless still healthy. We're still looking pretty strong in an aftermarket. Actually we bought up above the VWAP, so we're still looking okay. We definitely had a strong close on Friday. We definitely formed a clean. Um, I'll show you guys on the daily chart a clean hammered candlestick. That is a bullish sign right here. So we closed on Friday with a clean hammer stick. Keep that in mind. And so we also have the daily. Let's go back to the daily actually, since I like the daily chart. Guys, I'm going with you guys live here, so bear with me. So okay, so yeah, so we definitely closed. We had a bullish close hammer on the daily chart. And what's right here, guys? 9 EMA. You guys know I love the 9 EMA. So that's what I'm doing with the 9 EMA here. So we pulled slightly back down. This is what I'm thinking. We pulled slightly back down, closed hammer, so a bullish sign. Buyers were able to step in and buy it up a little bit. We pushed also and bounced off the 9 EMA, and we're also trading along with the 200 as well. I will put the 200 in that discussion only because this long wick is pretty close to the 200, and I'll just throw it in there. So we're the 9 EMA and the 200. So just like I stated with the QQQ, I think we could see a nice move back to recent highs. We could see a push of momentum tomorrow, or we can also open up bearish and be open to the downside. So I have moves to the upside if we open up green, and I have moves to the downside if we open up red. So flow has been tremendously bearish, if I'm not going to lie. So at current levels, you know what I'm saying? I'm a super bullish trader. I want green in the market, but this is telling me we might open up red. You know what I mean? But hey, you never know. You never know. But so the levels, let's tap into the levels really quick on SPY. I'm looking above 454 50. We can go back. Just there we go. Some resistance there. 454.50. We could get a push to 455. Um, another target of 456.80. Another target of 458.80, and another target of 460 of a push. Those are the levels I'm watching. Also for the downside, I'm also watching below 450. This is that candlestick here. From 450, we can push down to 449. Below 449, we break 449 with volume. This is going to drop to 447-ish and probably around the 200-ish EMA on the daily. But like I said, open up to all directions in the stock market. So that's a main priority, and that edge that you need to have in the market so you can trade accordingly is just be open to all directions, and you should be okay. Now I want to tap into the stocks I'm looking at, the trade specifically. We're going to go ahead and start with AMD. Okay, so there's some notes I have here with AMD that I want to go over. If I can bring them up on my phone. Okay, so AMD has dropped a tremendous amount from the past week. We definitely took a 15% turn to the floor. Recently, AMD definitely got some downgrades, I believe. Um, if I recall, that's what my trading at our desk, my desk partner, I believe that's what Guff said, that there were several downgrades on AMD, dropping over $20. I'm watching for a relief bounce if I'm real, or a continuation to the downside. I'm looking for a bounce on AMD or a continuation to the downside. Watching the upside on a break above this green dashed line here that I have at 111.50. That's this top red candle. Obviously, you can see that. We can get a clean move if we get above that with volume to about 113.70. From 113.70, I'll look to trim some and be looking to see where the volume and momentum is heading towards 115.55 roughly. And you can see that just from these are just past resistance points that I'm plotting my targets. It's just if you literally just you can go back in data as far back as you guys want to find your resistance and support levels. So last target I'd be looking at, we could possibly push to 117.50. Is it likely? Not really. Do I think that's going to happen? No. Can it happen? Yes. So I'm just being open to that. To the downside, I am watching below 106. You can clearly see this long wick here. If we break 106 with volume, be ready because AMD will fall even more. And this is where my key trade would be to look to take. On Friday, we shorted the hell out of this. We caught this whole move. I am looking to catch even more of this move. I caught 100% on Friday with 0 days to expiration, and tomorrow I would definitely look to take 100%er on this. But anyways, besides the ego trade mindset there, I'll be looking below 106. We can probably push to 105. From 105 roughly to 104, 104 to 102. And I want to make this clear on this level here at 100. If we reach to 100, the 100 level is going to be a very significant level. From recently, every single time we've hit the 100 level, we have been bought up very quickly. You can see here, huge wick here. Make this very clear for you guys. Huge wick there. And huge wick there. So, I mean, I would be looking to see what we do around the 100 level. I will make this clear. If we happen to flush the 100 level, we can see AMD trading to the low 90s shortly after. So, to be honest, AMD could be a swing if you have the capital, your accounts allow you to do that with the right risk on the table. A swing can do if we get around there, because AMD has had hella bearish vibes and fear with AMD. So that's AMD. Definitely on my big watch. I love AMD. I love trading it. Premiums are nice and contracts move nice. Overall, just AMD is on one of my watch list. Excuse me. Need some water here. Okay, so next stock here I have is Tesla. I don't want to keep you guys, bored here, but if you want to make money, you got to be bored sometimes, I guess, but this isn't boring to me, so let's just keep going. I don't want to hold all of your time. I have Tesla on my chart here, and Tesla right away. I'm kind of seeing something here with these candlesticks. It's a pattern, so I want to jump down to the 4-hour chart, see what we're looking at. Okay, yeah. I'm seeing it. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing, but I'm seeing a bull flag. Let's just draw our trend lines here. Take the top of that, bam, and take this low here. Oh yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. So we definitely formed a nice. So what I'm seeing here, we formed nice daily bull flag into close Friday. Pretty good setup in either directions with bull flags. That's what I like about the pattern. Um, we had amazing quarter one delivery numbers despite supply chain issues. So Tesla's definitely might moon tomorrow. Just saying on that, but you never know. You know how Tesla is. Great news, good earnings has pushed the stock to the floor and has moved it sideways. So you just never know with Tesla. Um, so I will be looking. Yeah, let's tap onto the levels and see how I will be playing Tesla. I haven't plotted my charts. I mean, I haven't plotted my levels and what calls I'm taking above, but we're gonna do that together live here. So we have a bull flag on the 4 hour, daily as well. We can go back to the daily chart, same spill. We got a bull flag. So let's go to the, oh shoot, 1 hour. Didn't mean to do that. 4 hour. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. This 1100 level looks nice. I remember. Let's do a horizontal line here at 1100. Yeah, that looks nice. I'll be looking to take calls above 1100. If I'm being real with you, I have my where's my notepad? My sticky note. Okay, so I'll be watching for a clean break and hold above 1100. We could see a potential move to probably, let's see here. We could see a move to 112 easily. Let's do 112. Change that to yellow dotted. 12. 116. What is this here? 116. Yeah, 116. So calls above 1100 to a push to 1112, from 1112 to 1116. From 1116, what's that top here? 1125. What is that high? 1124.60. So we'll do 1125 top of the bull flag. So to be real, if we break 1125, this is going okay. 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 Ooh, this is looking nice. This is looking nice. Tesla's looking beautiful right now. We can see, oh yeah. We can see, bro, we can possibly see 10, or I mean, why I keep saying 10. I'm so used to when Tesla was 1,000. I'm sorry. We can possibly see Tesla reaching like 1170, 1180. That's a great risk to reward trade, in my opinion. Yeah. So, and for the downside, we're open to always all directions. I'll be probably trading just the bottom of that bull flag, which is, what is that? 1180. No, let's do. Yeah, the bottom. Yeah, I mean, I have that white line. We can probably bump that up to like 1065 here, just a little bit underneath the bull flag, just in case we leave some room there, just in case we get bought up. So 1063, roughly. To the downside, we could get a clean move actually to about, yeah, this can fall to the floor. We can get a clean move to about 1055 roughly. Let's go back to the daily. Yeah, about like 1055. Get a move down to 1055 to the downside. Let's do this red. So about 1055. Here we go. From a move from 10. No, let's do. Yeah, hold on. I want to do whole numbers always. There we go. That looks much better on the daily. Okay, so I'll be looking above for calls above 1100 on Tesla, BullFlag below 1065. That's Tesla. I got Palantir as well for you guys. Some small accounts. If you want to make money, I save the small accounts, the gem for last. Because I know everybody here has. If I'm just gonna stop talking. I'm not a financial advisor. Let's go down to the 4 hour chart. Simple. I see the same pattern we're seeing over and over and over and over again. It's the same pattern over and over again. Like, and they wonder how do you make money in the stock market? How do you do that? It's simple. Just focus, work hard, show up. You know what I mean? And it'll happen. Look, another bull flag here. Perfect. 4 hour chart. What it do, baby? Come on, man. I'm a finder. You just scan charts and you find patterns. How do you find stocks? Just find them. Just look around and find them. They're out there. Trust me. So what I'm seeing here is we closed to a nice daily bull flag. Pretty much, we're retesting again the 9 EMA, which is right above it. As support, I want to see a clean probably break out of here. Like, what is this? 14. What was I with that? 1450 or yeah, I mean, like, to be real, since there's some chop here, I'll take a break out of the top bull flag. Let's see how this is on the daily chart, because the daily chart is obviously much more convenient. Yeah, I'm glad that I went to the daily chart, because this fat red candle back here, what's the highest on that? The highest on that is 1448. So I'll be looking at what, 1450, 50. Yeah, right there for the upside of calls on Palantir. There we go. And let's see our targets for Palantir. We could see a move to what, 15 here. Let's do a move about to 1506. Change that to dotted white. So calls above 1450. We can see a move to about 1505. 15. What is that? 40. What is the highest on here? 1525. Yeah, let's do 1525. There we go. That's better. 1530. 15. From 1450, we can see a move to 15, 1530, 1550, and so on. That's Palantir, BullFlag. That's my Sunday watch list. You guys do the rest. You guys do your own due diligence. That's my watch list. I'm ready to print tomorrow. I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Deuces.